What's going on, everybody? Crazy Monkey Crypto here. Today we're going to do around a 5-month profit update on my CPU rig. I just double checked. I set this up, or I posted the video March 24th. Assuming it took a couple days to process, we're right at about the 5-month mark. And we can take a look at where we are sitting. This is my first time looking at the numbers. I literally haven't pulled up the pool numbers at all for this. So this is my rig in HiveOS. I also threw a 3060 in here, so now I'm also mining Ergo. You can see this is only detecting 31 watts for the CPU, which I guess is pretty good, assuming that's accurate. But then you have to throw another, I don't know, 40 for the other components, and then I have this locked at 135. This card has always been kind of hot. So yeah. I want to change out the thermal pads on this. I just got to learn how first. Okay, so if we look at the price action of Zeph. Now, I want to do this because, like I said, March, I bought it. So I bought my rig around this time here. So Zeph's sitting in this $20-ish range, right? So, you know, that's pretty good. And then Zeph had all of its drama with, I don't know, with that community member and whatever. And so it has been on a horrific downhill trajectory. Ever since May, I mean, it's down almost 50%. So, yeah, that's going to have a big impact on how much we've made. So, if we look on the pool, you can see I'm currently pulling about 12 kilohash. My average is about 10.06 for 6 hours and about 9.88 for the 24 hours, slightly higher than what HiveOS is saying. You can see I've submitted only God knows how many shares that is, with only 62 invalid and 244 stale, and over 507,000 valid, so not having any issues connection-wise or anything like that. So you guys can see I have a total paid balance of 9.656300 Zeph. Yeah, so that's only $15. So I've been mining. This thing hasn't gone down for more than a tiny bit if I just took it off to put in my 3060. Basically for 5 months straight. So I've earned about $3 a month. And that's with free power too. So I don't even have to subtract power price out. So yeah, that's really sad. Yeah. So if we come back here, so the reason why, okay, so if Zeph's price had stayed consistent about where I bought my rigs in this $20 range, you know, then the Zeph is looking at, you know, we can do 9.65 times, say it was just $20. Okay, that's a little bit more respectable, $193. I believe I bought the motherboard RAM CPU, and it's a Ryzen 7 7700X. I bought that combo from Micro Center. I want to say it was like $440-ish. Okay, so I mean, that would be respectable. That means we would be on about pace for a 1-year ROI. If Zeph stayed at $20, which we still can be on that path if Zeph recovers its price. It's just, you know, anyone who looks at this chart, you know, it doesn't look very good. Now I haven't sold any of my Zeph. I still have this all, and so that's good, I guess. I still have it. Now, it seems like we've been earning a bit more lately, so I don't know if people have been turning off with Zeph's continual downward price trend. So you can see last week we got 0.7 Zeph, so if you extrapolate that out, that would be like 2.8 Zeph per month. and we've been having it going for 5 months, so it'd be what, 14 Zeph. So I think the network hash rate was higher here, or when I first started, you know, when people were making decent money, 50, 60, 70, I think it was almost maybe even close to $1 when I first started. So yeah, so that's kind of the 5-month roundup on my CPU mining rig. We are nowhere close to ROI. In fact, we can, assuming it was $440, which it was around there. We are a whopping 3% of our way to making our money back. Like I said, I am mining and holding, hoping that Zeph will explode in the bull run. You know, maybe we'll see $100 Zeph, and you know, maybe this, you know, whatever. Then this would be almost $1,000 worth of Zeph here. It's always fun to be hopeful. You know, if you guys know any good CPU coins that you think I should look into, let me know down below. I've just stuck it on Zeph because of, you know, like Rabid Mining's videos always talked about Zeph, and so whatever. So I just stuck it on there so I didn't have to deal with it. So if you like this video, please consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button. Both are free, no cost to you. Just helps kind of promote the videos, get it out to other crypto miners. So with that, guys, continue smashing blocks, and we'll see you later.